Welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 2, Relate, Division, and Subtraction. The essential question for the whole chapter is how are multiplication and division related? But today is about division and subtraction. Okay, and the essential question at the end on the hot problems, it's going to ask you about this. How are these two related? Related means similar. Just like you're related to your brother. How are you related to your brother? How are you related to your sister? How are you related to your cousins? Okay, it's asking how are they similar? What makes them connected? Okay, you know that repeated addition can be used to multiply. Repeated subtraction can be used to divide. Okay. Wyatt is giving 15 colored pencils to 3 friends. How many colored pencils will each friend get? You can use repeated subtraction to find 15 divided by 3. So if you're not real good with your math division facts yet, you can think about, okay, I'm going to do 15 divided by 3. So you can do 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so you go all the way down to 0 and then say how many times was 3 subtracted from 15? So how many times did it take you to get to that point? It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subtractions. So then the answer would be 5. So 15 divided by 3. How many subtractions did you need? 5. Okay, so it's saying you're making groups, right? Basically, Wyatt is giving 15 colored pencils to a friend. So he's saying, and 3 for you, and 3 for you, and 3 for you, and 3 for you, and 3 for you. Actually, if I read that correctly, Wyatt is giving 15 colored pencils to 3 friends. Okay, so it's 3 friends. So instead of giving 3 at a time, he's giving 1, 2, 3 at a time. Okay, so he's giving to each friend. Here, you get 1, you get 1, you get 1. Then he's getting a new set, and he's saying, okay, and then you get 1, and you get 1, and you get 1. And a new set, and you get 1, and you get 1, and you get 1. Repeated over and over again. So each friend will get 5 colored pencils. Okay, but actually, division is much faster than doing repeated subtraction. The students in Mr. Bantha's class are helping set up games for Family Fun Night. Family Fun Math Night. Ooh, can't believe I skipped the word math. Each game can have 4 players. How many games will be needed for 12 people? Okay, so it's basically saying, okay, you guys are going to play a game. Okay, you 4 play a game. Okay, now you guys need to play a game. And then you guys need to play a game. So they're telling you you can find 12 divided by 4 by skip counting backwards. Okay, 12 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 12 minus 4. And then another. Subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. And then another 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, you guys are going to play a game, and you guys can play a game, and you guys can play a game. So skip count backwards until 0 is reached. Then count the number of times 4 was subtracted. So that would be 12 minus 4 equals 0. And then 4 was subtracted how many times? 3 times. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you need 3 games. Okay, so you could do it like this. But again, I don't know. It's going to take a long time. I think it would be much easier if you remembered your division facts and your fact families. And you know that 12 and a 3 and a 4, right? So if one of the numbers is missing, you have to think about the other number. So in this case, it was 12 divided by 4, so the missing number was 3. Okay, and for the picture, I drew a little bonsai tree. A bonsai tree is like a short, tiny little tree. They're so cute. Okay, so you can try to draw one of those. And then I want to show you what the Building on Essentials questions. So this is page 144. So flip ahead to this question right here. Okay, it says building on the essential question. How are the operations of subtraction and division related? Explain. Okay, so I wrote division and subtraction. Okay, so I'm making sure I answer the question. Are related, so I wrote it a little bit later, but it's there. Division and subtraction operations are related because, and this is what I wrote. You don't have to write this exactly, but I just want to help you out. Find the words, okay, to describe math. Okay, so division and subtraction operations are related because division is using a faster way to break into groups, but both make groups. Okay, so just like we had here, you're making groups, and you can do it with subtraction. They're both making groups, but division is just faster. Okay, so division is using a faster way to break into groups, but both are making groups. Both make groups. All right, I look forward to seeing your little bonsai trees in class. See you soon.